talking about journalism, a very important career, also very dangerous, and that is why we're thankful for Nympha. Nympha has been working as a journalist for 20 years now, but she's not only working for herself. Recently, she organized this benefit that's going on
That's
Saturday.
correct. It's called Sining ng Bayan, and it's going to be on Saturday at Noy Pits in Glendale. And it's going to benefit the media workers who were affected by Sendong, the typhoon, the killer typhoon Sendong.
Ayan. I will be there too. I will be emceeing with Bernardo. Sana po makilala ko kayo. Sana po pumunta kayo at magkita-kita tayo.
Yes.
Nympha, this is really wonderful. Because, you know, when we're working journalists, when we go to cover events, usually we try to outscoop each other. Yan, nagpapaligsahan tayo, nagpapagalingan, paunahan sa mga balita. But this is nice because now we're taking that aside.
Yes, that's correct. And this is the first time, this is unprecedented. This is the first time that the Filipino-American media professionals are coming together to help our media colleagues in the Philippines who really need our help. Because as you know, the pay is low and they don't get hazard pay. Very few get hazard pay.
Is that the same also here, or are journalists here more protected?
More protected.
May insurance, diba? Mga
Yes, hazard pay, and also we have insurance here. But in the Philippines, no.
Okay.
Yes.
And that is why maganda rin siguro yung pagbubuo ng NUJP sa
That's correct. It's the National Union of Journalists in the Philippines, and it's really more of a guild than a union, and it's protecting the rights of journalists and press freedom.
And NUJP is going to be the beneficiary of yung kung ano man ang mariraise natin this coming Saturday.
That's correct. They created this special fund for the victims of Sendong, the media workers who were victims of Sendong.
And Nympha, of course, is the U.S. correspondent of the Philippine Daily Inquirer. Nympha, what do you miss about covering in the Philippines?
Well, it's more exciting. As you know, for example, what's going on right now with the impeachment. And this is sad, the disasters. We have one after another.
Yes.
And you miss the action.
Right. What about, what's fulfilling about covering here? What's better about covering here naman compared to covering in the Philippines?
Well, it's less stress. Well, if you're covering events, and it's kind of more glamorous because you get to meet important people and sometimes, you know, actors, actresses.
Right.
And it's really more relaxed.
More relaxed.
Yeah.
And that is why we as journalists have time to come together and help kung sino man yung mga nangangailangan. Once again, Nympha, why don't you invite them to attend our event on Saturday?
Yes, please come to the Sining Para sa Bayan. It's a two-part event. The first one, it's an art auction at 4 p.m. And at 7 p.m. we have the concert, and Janelle is co-hosting with Bernardo, and we have Florante, Becca Godinez,
Nair De Leon,
Tateng Katindig,
wow.
Becca, did I say Becca Godinez? Yes. Louis Reyes.
Yes, and I hear na dun sa auction part, napakarami po nating mga magagaling na mga kababayang pintor and artists. I know Philip Nair, a photographer that I worked with, is going to be auctioning some stuff as well. So please come and join us and help our kababayans in the Philippines. Thank you so much. More power. That's the number to call on the screen. Thank you for joining us today on the show. I'll see you again tomorrow.